Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Last Saturday night, thousands joined another frequency party series, partying to songs from the genres of hip-hop, EDM, Afrobeats, soca and crossover hits from reggae and dancehall. Staged under the theme Global Frequency, Rep Your Country, Post Your Flags, the high-energy musical event trended at #1 on Twitter and saw tweets and comments from partygoers online, including MP and State Minister Floyd Green. On the wheels of steel for the 3-hour-long event were Fame 95 FM DJs Taj and Kevin. And from Hits 92 FM, DJs Rodrick and Tropical. They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. During the night, songs were played from soca queen Alison Hinds, who appeared via virtual link to give an acoustic performance of her 2007 hit, Roll It Girl.
Control it, girl, roll it, girl, yeah, roll, yeah.
International hitmaker Styler G touched down in the party for a virtual guest performance. Global Frequency from TVJ studio was broadcast across radio frequencies Fame 95 FM and Hits 92 FM, and also aired live on the group's cable channel RETV and on onespotmedia.com. The event was also streamed live across all major social media platforms. Stay tuned this Saturday as Fame 95 FM, Hits 92 FM and RETV present another scintillating episode in the frequency series dubbed Club Frequency. Watch highlights of Global Frequency right here on TVJ this Saturday at 8:30 p.m. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.